Hello folks, so my wife has been using the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer for some time now. She really does love it. This is not a sponsored video, we did purchase this ourselves, but there is something I want to make you folks aware of, and it has to do with the different designs the hairdryer can be purchased in. So this is the black and nickel variant. However, the different designs isn't simply about the colour. Now, while the hairdryer is going to be the same apart from the colour, it is going to be identical in specs, the design you select will determine what else is included in the package. So the black and nickel here that we have, this is like the basic Dyson Supersonic package. Inside you get the hairdryer and one single accessory, which is the concentrator. Now again, apart from the colour, the hairdryer is identical. It has all of the premium Dyson features, including the magnetic attachments, the interesting design where you have the hollowed out tube. It is lightweight, it has the same heat and speed settings, but it does only include that single attachment. Now the next two designs are the iron and fuchsia and also the nickel and copper designs. Now these again will be the same hairdryer but in those respective colours. The difference here being is that they now include a number of additional attachments along with the concentrate. So these will include the volumizer, the curved styler comb thing and the brush amongst others, and so depending on the style that you want to go for when you are using your hairdryer, you may be better off spending that little bit extra to get the Supersonic with those additional accessories. And finally there are two more designs. One is blue and pink, I think it is, and the other is purple. Now these designs also include the full range of accessories. However, the difference here is that they also include a nice gift case, whereas all of the other Supersonic hair dryers that I've mentioned just come in the cardboard box. So yes, when you are selecting the design you want to purchase, don't just think, oh, this one looks the prettiest, let's go for that one. Bear in mind, you are going to be getting different things included in the package. The hairdryer, apart from the colour, will be identical across the full Supersonic range, but depending on what you need with those accessories, just make sure you are purchasing the correct one. But folks, I do hope this video has helped clarify the situation. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.